Hi, in this video, I will show you how to edit content. Edit content is easy, like in any other Framer template. All you need to do is to click on the element which you want to edit, and in the right part of the screen, you will get an option to edit the content. On this way, you can edit all content except the content which is placed in CMS. Check CMS Guide for more details. When you edit the content, the important thing is to edit in only on desktop resolution, and all changes will be reflected on tablet and phone resolution automatically. For example, here is how to change the big welcome text on homepage. Click on Lucas, and in the right panel, you will get an option to change this text. Set your own content, and it will change on all resolutions. The same you can do any other text in this section. To change the main image, you need to click on the image, and then in the right side panel, you will get an option to change this image. There are some additional options which you can change, like intensity value. On same way, you can edit content for cards or any other part. Just click on Element, and in right panel, edit the content. Don't forget that you need to do this only on desktop resolution. Project section and writing section are a little bit different, because there are several images and text which is a content from CMS collection. Check CMS Guide video to see how to edit that part. Next, there is a ticker. To edit text inside the ticker, you need to change only the text which is placed on left side. Framer, Photoshop, Figma, Illustrator. So, select the text on left side and change the content. On the bottom, we have a contact form. Here, you need to set your own email address to start receiving emails from your website. If you have any additional questions, feel free to contact us via our website, cocobasic.com.